The key is in my hand. That's what the ego doesn't want to see. Hear it? It's right here. To the door, the keyless to the gateless gate. See that the light is the gateless. There's no gate to light. There's no key to light. It's the desire that somebody's keeping me, one of my brothers out there, keeping me out of the kingdom of heaven. It's that play in consciousness, see? So he brings your brother to see that your brother is the gateway to heaven. The key is in my hand, and I have reached the door beyond which lies the end of dreams. I stand before the gate of heaven, wondering if I should enter in and be at home. Jesus, is there a desire for an experience to wonder whether I should enter heaven? And you go until he says no, that there's no wondering anymore about it. Let me not wait again today. Let me forgive all things. And let creation be as you would have it be and as it is. Let me remember that I am your son, and opening the door at last, forget illusions. See, it's so valuable to see that it has to be our hand on the door. That's acceptance of divine being. I am responsible to see what's true. Otherwise, he'd be telling us that the delusion is true, that we're not light and we're weak rather than infinite power. The infinite power of divinity has to always recognize and accept that it's light. Forget illusions and the blazing. Ask him, Jesus, is the light blazing? And here is the answer. Blazing infinite light. I'm willing to see it. Are you willing to cease to deny it?